Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Krstechno. Today I will going to show you what is blockchain technology. But before we start this video, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel Krstechno, then subscribe now for more video. So let's get started. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack or cheat the system. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions, and every time a new transaction occurs on the blockchain, a record of that transaction is added to every participant ledger. The decentralized database managed by multiple participants is known as distributed ledger technology, called DLT. Blockchain is a type of DLT in which transactions are recorded with an immutable cryptographic signature called a hash. This means if one block in one chain was changed, it would be immediately apparent it had been tampered with. If hackers wanted to corrupt a blockchain system, they would have to change every block in the chain across all of the distributed versions of the chain. Blockchain can only be updated by consensus between participants in the system, and once new data is entered, it can never be erased. It is write once open many technology, making it a verifiable and auditable record of each and every transaction. So that's all for this video. If you have to like this video, then like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Krstechno, so we will make more this type of video. Thank you.